I would have to look in that market. But mattress contracts are 7 days. Mattress Firm is a 7 day contract. It's that's not going to get you $7,000 a week though. Mattress Firm. The only thing that's going to get you that type of money, $7,000 a week, is going to be appliances, and maybe furniture. Maybe get you six, depending on the market. If you run 7 days, IKEA, you can touch about six, 5 to 6 on a week, because that's a 7 day a week contract. IKEA. Uh, there's some contracts with Lowe's that can run you 6 days a week. You can touch $6,000 to $7,000 depending on what's on your route throughout the week, and what the scope of your route is, depending on if you got hookups and one-on-ones and stuff like that. You know what I mean? So, uh,